Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga to feel your best. Let's get started. Sit nice and tall. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, twist your body. Inhale, exhale, stay there. Inhale to lengthen, crown reaching toward the sky. Connect your sitting bone down to the mat. Each time create space between each vertebra. Keep your head tall. And start shifting your regular breath to ujjayi breath. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. Feel pranayama, which is breath, going through entire body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, breath pranayama. And exhale, twist your upper body to the side. Inhale, reaching your crown to the sky. Same time, ground your hips bone down. Shoulder blades connect together. Keep your chest collarbone wide open. And release. Now switch your legs. Okay, let's do it again. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, this time twist to your left. Stay there each time, grow taller and taller. And twist a little deeper. Check out your pranayama, breath, life. Going through entire body, circle through entire body. And back to center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist to the opposite side. Feel energized by using breath. Gaining power from ground through your spine, circle through your entire body. Keep your chest proud open. And next exhale, back to center. Okay, let's take tabletop pose. Palm underneath your shoulders, knee underneath your hips. And from here, we're gonna do some circle motion. Okay, ready? From tabletop to, let's circle your hips, your body clockwise. Okay, try to get a big range of motion. Slowly, gentle. This is 3 times. Now counterclockwise circle, circle your hips and body. To activate your spine, activate all joints. And good. From here, inhale, thread through the needle and on the armpit. Inhale, let's gaze up, open, and exhale, thread through the needle. Inhale, open your chest, and exhale, Go through under armpit. And back to center. Let's do the other side. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, thread through the needle. Inhale, open your chest. Get a lot of air and sun rays. Exhale. Inhale, open a lot of air and exhale. Roll. And back to center. Knee open about mat distance, toes touch, sit on your heel. Grasp your hand and bow to your arms. Take Balasana, child pose. Just stay there and be grateful for what you have. Just be grateful for what we have. Take a moment and just breathe. Now slowly release. Let's get back to tabletop for a moment. And from here, slightly keep your gaze forward and up. Okay? And I want you to use your core to lift up your entire body and hold for a few breaths. Ready? Inhale, exhale. Bring your knees up. Gaze slightly forward. Feel energy going through. Forward. And very strong, firm. Use your core. Determined. Two more. Stay with me. Palms down. Inhale. Exhale down. Bring your knees down. Okay? Okay. One knee straight. The opposite knee bent. And make sure both sitting bone down, connecting down to the floor. And inhale. And exhale, slightly point your belly button to straighten knee. And exhale, forward. You can keep your hands on the floor like this. If you want, you can grab your ankle or toes or clasp your wrist. So any variation of your hands. And inhale, exhale, soft. Inhale, energy going through your crown to the tailbone, through the spine. And exhale, soften your shoulders and chest. Your pranayama goes to the entire body while you breathe in. And exhale to release. Inhale, positivity. And exhale, the feeling or energy no longer serves you. Okay? Inhale and exhale, keep breathing. Inhale, gain a lot of positivity. And exhale to release any tension. And next, inhale halfway up. Exhale all the way up. And from here, without changing your legs, inhale, exhale. Little twist. Give yourself a little twist. Again, don't tense up your shoulders. Shoulders soft and relax. And if you want, circle your neck. Stay there, just breathe, observe your breath, pranayama. Relax. Okay, let's switch your legs. Okay. And inhale, nice and tall. Erect your upper body toward the sky. Exhale, twist, slightly twist your upper body. And exhale, forward bend. Again, same variation of your hands. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale. Make sure sitting bone connect down, tailbone connect down to the ground, ground yourself. Same time, reach your forehead, reach your head to the opposite direction to get the maximum stretch. And if you notice any tension creeping up to your shoulders, just use your breath to release. And feel the energy force pranayama going through entire body. So you feel your best. Okay, today you are the best version of yourself. Inhale positivity, positive energy, positive thought. And exhale any tension no longer serves you. And next, inhale halfway up. And exhale all the way up. Okay, inhale. Okay, let's give ourselves a little twist. And exhale, slightly twist your upper body. Very subtle, doesn't have to be big twist. Again, if you notice any tension on your shoulders, use exhale or feel free to a little bit fidget around. Stay there, just enjoy stretch, enjoy breathing. Inhale, look straight, exhale, release. Okay, let's take Baddha Konasana, the sole of your feet together. And just a little bit fidget around. If you need to shift your hip side, feel free to do so. And bounce your knees. Bounce your knees and inhale. And exhale forward. Inhale halfway up, exhale all the way up. Good. Hands heart center. Namaste. Physical activity is well known to improve cognitive functions. This sequence is specifically designed for this purpose. I recommend you do it as often as you need. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future episodes. See you soon!